Morning, commanders. How are you doing? My name is Dudu Zuma. We just want to say thank you to everyone that supported the motorcade today. It was amazing success, and we look forward to seeing the same motorcade heading towards Moses Mabhida on the 15th of December. The journey of MK as we head towards our first anniversary has not been easy. But like I was saying, the commanders on the ground have made it that much more beautiful so as to celebrate this milestone, a historic milestone in South Africa, to be very honest. And we look forward to having you all at the stadium. I want to thank Dr. K for having this motorcade and inviting me. So I appreciate that so much. Thank you. It's been a long year. We are about to celebrate our first anniversary. It has not been easy. And we have each and every one of you to be thankful for. Thank you for loving MK the way you do. Yeah, I know that.
One of the biggest motorcades aseThekwini region besikade senani siqale kuNandi Drive sangena nayo ePhare Heights what level sadlula saya kwaMashu masidlula kwaMashu sangena eNanda madlula eNanda sangena ePhoenix madlula ePhoenix sangena eVerelem madlula eVerelem sangena oThongathi kodwa esikubonile endleleni siza ngala sibone iresponse ku-community abantu bekikiza bejabula abesilisa begiya bebona umkhonto madlule emamola abantu bekikiza becela izikipa zomkhonto lokho kuyisayini ukuthi abantu baseThekwini bawuthanda umkhonto iresponse was very positive. Maphodisa lo ola kwi-region ola kwimgcini mafa sicela bonke abantu ukuthi baye eMoses Mabhida ngomhla ka-15 amabhasi akhona ushowcase loyo uzothintana nje no-coordinator wakho no-transport coordinator okuyena umuntu ozothatha kubeke siphephe bafowethu siphume sonke siyomela uMK seMoses Mabhida.
We are taking a stand manje sekuyisikhathi sokuthisha ukuthi bazwakale nabo. We are saying abeze ngobuningi babo eMoses Mabhida amandla.